Sport Foundation and Cooperative Paula Botia. Hello, today we have the pleasure to speak with the best reader the bicycle of Risaralda, who will tell you about your sport organization, who will share in with the students of her class, and that it will publish science. She is already working on her project because this year she will graduate from grade 11. We speak with Paolo Botia about his foundation called Sport Foundation and Paolo Botia Cooperative, which will encourage and children all resort in any type of sport, but especially in cycling, and will support women equally, saying it does not want the women are discriminated against or less valued than men. She will tell us about the main objective and also why her foundation will be better than the rest, why they should belong to her, and why she could carry out this project in the future. I will show you their introduction. My objective. The main objectives are to encourage athletes, mainly in cycling, to be people with values, to be able to help the most needy young people in sports. Mainly, I will initiate with my sport, with cycling, and at the same time, with skiing. The other sport I will slow into until I get to have all sports. And what I will do for your foundation, please, talking about this. One has a place where they have their or trainers, physiotherapists, managers who have their run to daily race and plan for them to greatly improve. Two, to separate the athletes with their sports, my pleasure is to have a great place to be able to support each one. Three, has to sit and say for women and say for men. For mainly what I will do is pray every morning with everyone. Put God first so that everything can go well. Five, first, I will start with few people so they can gradually have the group that they want to be. There are about 1 million your people. Six, I will approach it with each one as is we're a professional team to be able to sport into the outside world below. 8. And 7. I will then everything they need uniforms, irritation, inscription for each competition, and I will accompany them to each race. I will support them, they will know anything. 8. Once a month, I will take you to a spiritual excursion every day. I will teach you about Christ as my parent has done with me. Thank you. My foundation is similar to others, but my foundation will be more beautiful and more committed to God. Tell them that they should value everything that I am going to offer. Say my main objective is to be able to take in them the other countries to belong to the best things and to support them. Paola Batia is the most dreaming young woman I've ever interviewed, saying she has clear objectives and projects, and already began to fulfill his dreams with only 16 years. I would like all the boys and girls to be easy with everything I give them. Paola Batia say in their foundation. Would you like to belong to my foundation? Here I will show you some of my triumphs. Thank you very much, Paola, and thank you very much for your attention.